This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make stock market videos for YouTube Easy Guide. Start by choosing a tight topic and audience, then sketch a simple outline with a hook, short teaching blocks, examples, and a call to action. Keep each segment under a few minutes and plan transitions. Aim for clarity over quantity, and decide if you will use screen shares, charts, or live camera. Consistent structure helps viewers and speeds editing. Warm up with a short script or bullet list and record confident, natural takes that sound like a conversation. Use a decent microphone and monitor levels to avoid clipping or hiss. Capture both your voiceover and any screen shares in separate tracks if possible, and label files clearly. Speak slowly, pause between points, and keep each recording session manageable so energy stays high throughout the shoot. Hey, quick recommendation. If you're spending long hours editing or reading market data, treat your feet right with darn tough socks that come with a lifetime warranty. They're comfy, durable, and a small upgrade that makes long sessions nicer. If you're finding this guide useful, please subscribe and like so I can make more helpful videos. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. While editing, trim dead space and tighten pacing to respect viewers' time and boost retention. Use clear callouts on charts and captions for key figures, and keep graphics consistent across videos. Aim for a 3 to 5 minute highlight reel for social clips. Make thumbnails bold and readable at small size, and use a concise title that promises value so viewers know what problem you solve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.